Should I build my savings or emergency funds first or mag-business or investing agad?
Ang ideal dyan na situation is mag-set aside sa ka og emergency fund before ta mag-invest. Ang primary reason, ana, is that it takes a lot of time manggod and money to really see the growth of your investments. Ang emergencies can really happen anytime and you need to pay your emergencies as soon as possible. So kitahay no, na emergencies na hitabo sa imong life. Ikaw mismo nagkasakit ka, imuhang anak, imuhang family, whoever. So ang ubang tao, wala sila emergency fund. So ilahang solution duha ka buok. It's either mangutang sila or ang ginahimo pud sa uban is ibaligya nila ang ilahang investments at a loss. That's why the safer way to do is to set up your emergency fund first before investing. Ang isa pud ka alternative option is you can actually do both at the same time. However, since wala pa man nabuo ang emergency fund, which is usually 6 months worth of your expenses, mas nakuha mo ang allocation sa emergency fund. Kitahay natay sobra 20,000 kada bulan. 10,000 ana mapadulong sa emergency, 5,000 lang sa investment. Ang 5,000 kay gamiton nako for desired fund. Para just in case again something bad happens, naa kay kwarta na mabunlot instead na mangutang ka. Appeal pod sa imuhang emergency fund ang imuha pagbayad sa insurance. Kapalo naman ta sa insurance, pas dako jud atong makuha just in case na mga major emergencies mahitabo sa tuwang life. So if you have any other questions about money, ibutang lang sa comment section.